freed Gaddafi child Seif al Islam still needed by Libya court for 2015 conviction. Prosecutor Ibrahim Ali. Tripoli Libyan experts said on Monday that Muammar Gaddafi's child Seif al Islam, apparently set free by a neighborhood local army at the end of the week, was as yet needed by a Tripoli court for a 2015 conviction. Seif al Islam, the second child and beneficiary evident of the late dismissed Libyan despot, was said to have been discharged on Friday by a civilian army gather that controls the town of Zitan in western Libya. The gathering, which had held Seif al Islam for over 5 years, said he had been sentenced under an acquittal law proclaimed by the parliament situated in the country's east amid the Muslim heavenly month of Ramadan. Record picture of Muammar Gaddafi's child Seif al Islam. AFP. But the prosecutor commander's office in Tripoli, where an adversary UN-upheld organization is based, said the acquittal couldn't have any significant bearing to Seif al Islam on account of the seriousness of his violations. Having been condemned in absentia on 28 July 2015, Seif al Islam is required to show up under the watchful eye of the court, Tripoli Prosecutor General Ibrahim Ali said in an announcement. There was no free affirmation of Seif al Islam's discharge, which could start promote shakiness in the nation as of now racked by divisions and viciousness. The prosecutor's articulation did not affirm that he had been sentenced and gave no sign of his potential whereabouts. Seif al Islam had been held in Zitan since being confined in November 2011. Days after his dad was killed in a NATO-sponsored uprising against his decades-long run the show. The Zitan Volunteer Army, which restricts Libya's UN-supported Government of National Accord GNA situated in the capital, had declined to hand him over to specialists regardless of a few lawful cases. A court in Tripoli indicted Seif al Islam in 2015 regarding endeavors to put down the revolt and condemned him in absentia to death. He is likewise needed by the International Criminal Court (ICC) in The Hague for affirmed violations against humankind. His detailed discharge accompanied the North African nation still shaken by infighting, with experts in the East allegedly aligned with the strengths of military strongman Khalifa Haftar, declining to perceive the GNA. Human Rights Watch HRW approached Libyan experts to track him down. Libyan experts, who stay committed to surrender him to the court ICC, ought to earnestly affirm